System errors causing the dx7vb library DLL crashes in DirectX 7, Visual Basic Type Library. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. While preparing the manual steps for dx7vb library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the dx7vb library, the DirectX 7 Visual Basic Library, a specialized localized legacy shim that allows localized Visual Basic 6.0 applications to interface with the DirectX 7 3D and localized audio engines, mandatory for localized 1990s era software compatibility on modern OS. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. dx7vb is part of a game graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, then update GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including dx7vb library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading dx7vb library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and dx7vb library synchronization. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved dx7vb library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.